Okay, that's Jovi and Zoe, and I'm Alan. And we're gonna do an airbag video this week with 3 watermelons and an airbag.
It's versus.
Yeah, versus. So what do you think's gonna happen, Zoe?
I think that when the airbag goes off, it's just gonna squish the watermelon.
Yeah, we have duct tape holding it in place, and we have 3 little watermelons, and they're sitting on a couple of wooden blocks. What do you think is going to happen to it, Jovi?
Well, when this airbag goes off, I feel that it's going to squish, but not like squish where it just splats onto this. I feel like when it's going to go off, it's going to hit this, and these are all going to go flying, but they're going to be going flying in pieces.
Nice. I totally am excited to see what's going to happen. It's a little colder today than I'd like, and a little windy, so hopefully the video sounds good. And you guys enjoy it.
Hopefully I caught that.
Okay, so
Oh my
what's
gosh.
your hypothesis?
Oh my gosh, look.
Correct?
Look.
Pause the show.
Look at
Pause.
The airbag's clear over here.
You know what's crazy? Is that did better than I thought. I definitely didn't think it would blow up as great as it did. Did you see how high the airbag went?
Yeah, I was like,
All the way up here.
That was so crazy.
You had to move.
I did. I ran away because I was afraid. I was afraid this piece or that piece was gonna hit me. So I like got up and ran towards the Jeep.
The airbag almost hit you too.
Yeah, trying to. That was pretty fun. What do you guys think of that?
stained green. The airbag.
Jovi,
Yes.
what did you think about that?
It was quite amazing.
And how come it was amazing?
Because I almost had a heart attack because of the loud noise. But I thought it was amazing because like there's pieces everywhere. And this one, well, it's super cool because this one survived. It didn't break all the way. Not like this one or these pieces or that.
Cool.
And I also like how this one stayed on. That piece of watermelon stayed on the blocks.
Cool. What'd you think, Zoe?
I really wasn't expecting it to do that.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to like have so many big chunks.
Nice.
Yeah, it was super fun though. I thought, just cause like
I thought it was
not
cool.
expecting it.
I thought it was cool how you were pointing out the green on the airbag
Yeah,
earlier. Like it stained it or whatever.
yeah, which is weird because like the impact of the like airbag on the watermelon, you'd think that it wouldn't do that. But,
Yeah.
like it did. Well, so yeah.
Cool. Well, let's clean everything up.